Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in your Google Sheet. So first of all, open up the Google Sheet and log into your account. Now open up the spreadsheet in which you want the checkboxes. Okay, so I have opened one of the blank sheets here just to show you guys. So suppose you want a checkbox right here, okay, in any of the cell. Okay, you can go ahead and select any one of the cells. So suppose I want it here, so simply click here so that this cell will be selected. Then what you need to do is click on insert here at the top in the menu bar. Okay, insert, and at the bottom you will find an option called checkbox here. Okay, simply click on checkbox and there will be a checkbox created. Now suppose you want another one here, again simply select the bottom one, click on insert and then click on checkbox, and just like this checkboxes are created. Now you can go ahead and check them whether they are working or not. Okay, so as you can see they are properly working. So this is how easily you can do it, and if you want to remove them, simply select this one and click on delete and it will be gone. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.